Hey YouTube, it is Black Ops Guy 321, and today I will be doing a shooting test on my Sig Sauer p226. I have a review coming up, but I'm just going to do the shooting test now. Alright YouTube, here is one mag on these 22 targets that I got for Christmas. Here we go. There it was. That was one mag on these 22 targets. Most of them were hits. Like I said, it is a really accurate gun. $20 at your local Walmart. Hope you enjoyed this video. See ya, YouTube. This is your armed brother. See ya.